Hello friends, welcome to channel Creators Brain. So today in this tutorial we will learn how we can enable, how we can disable comment section on our YouTube videos. So there are three ways by which we can do this. So first of all, log in with your profile. So now let me tell you first shortest way, that is open your YouTube video and you can see here comments are turned off. So first trick is just click on edit video. Okay, now here you can see, yes, it is made for kids. This option is already by default selected, that's why comment section is off. Now click on radio button. Now it is not made for kids, and then click on save. Okay, now settings will be saved. Now again press back button. Hello guys, welcome, and now check. Welcome to channel Creators Brain. So as I have already see, now comment section is enabled. Okay, so within this few seconds you can enable or disable your comment section. Now second trick is click on just go back first of all, and second shortest trick is click on YouTube Studio. Okay, click on videos and then click on select all videos. Here you will see edit option, then find out comments, and then find out all the options. Okay, allow all comments, hide potentially inappropriate comment for review, hold all comment, disable comment. So if you will select allow all comments, anybody can write comments on your videos. Here you can, this is more secure one. Second and third, here you will work as a reviewer. You will see whose comment you want on your videos. And fourth one is disable section. So select any option and then click on update videos. Okay, now third one is, which is the longest one, just go back and then click on your profile and then click on YouTube Studio. This is third one. Then click on settings and then click on channel, then advanced setting. Here first option is yes, set this channel is made for kids. If you will select this, then nobody even can write the comment. This section is for, this radio button is for everybody can write comments. And third one, I want to review. Every time you have to review whether what you want settings to be. So select second one and save. Because this second is already selected, that's why save button is disabled. If you are first time going to select this, then it will become enable, and then click on save button and close. Okay, like this you can perform this operation. Now click again on settings and then click on upload defaults and then advanced setting, and then again select value from what you want. Allow all comment, hold potentially, hold all comment for review, and disable whatever you want. Like you want allow all comments, then click on save. Okay, like this you can save your settings and then again go back. So this is the way by which you can perform this section. Then click on YouTube Studio. Now click on videos. Now you can see which video is allow for everyone to comment and which one is not allowing. Okay, so this shows restrictions. So by selecting all those options, you have changed the settings. Like it is showing none means anybody can write comments on my YouTube videos. So these are the three small tricks by which you can enable or disable or also allow you to review the comments. Okay, third option is means if you work as a reviewer, then you can block all the spam user and hide all the bad comments. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it. Just apply this on your videos and tell me, is it very